Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so today we're diving into how you can transition from an AI novice to a highly capable power user with the newest 2026 ChatGPT features. Whether they're using this for your studies, your small business, or just organizing your personal life, mastering this tool is no longer an optional skill. It's absolutely essential. We're going to break down the exact strategies drawn directly from top AI educators to get you confident and highly productive.
We're following a real zero to hero progression today. We'll cover setting up for success, the perfect prompt formula, multimodal magic, advanced 2026 Pro Tools, and finally, creating your personal AI assistant.
Section 1. Setting up for success. Getting your foundation correctly established is the absolute secret to unlocking exponential value right from day one. So many people just jump onto the website and start typing as a guest. Actually, scratch that. You really want to move past guest access immediately. First things first, download the official app on your iPhone or Android and create a dedicated account. This is a crucial step because logging into a dedicated account unlocks deep personalization. It makes the AI smart about you. Once you're in, tap your profile and look for custom instructions. So, once you open up that profile, you can actually tell the AI exactly how to talk to you before you even ask a single question. It's a real game changer. Like, you can set a rule demanding that the AI states its confidence level. If it's less than 95% sure of an answer, you can literally command it to ask you probing questions until it hits that 95% mark. No way, right? Plus, you can feed it your personal context, say telling it you live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and have a highly analytical mind. From then on, it filters every single answer through that exact lens. And it goes beyond just those instructions. ChatGPT actually builds a customized profile of you over time using its memory feature. It's like it has a persistent brain for your interactions. It can literally recall a conversation you had about, say, your backyard gardening projects last year, and then automatically apply all that context to a brand new chat you start in the spring of 2026. It just remembers the plants you bought, the climate you live in, your budget, the whole shebang, without you ever having to re-explain it. Section 2. The perfect prompt formula. Now that the AI knows exactly who you are, you need to know exactly how to speak to it. Okay, so a massive mistake beginners make is treating ChatGPT like a basic Google search. Google gives you links, but ChatGPT gives you reasoning. Instead of a simple search, you want to use the GAT formula. That's goal, audience, tone, format. Think of the AI like a brilliant but maybe slightly overeager intern. If your instructions are super vague, well, they might bring you back bad coffee or, worse, bad code. You have to give crystal clear direction to get high-quality work back. To put that into perspective, let's look at a quick comparison. If you just toss in a weak prompt like write a Facebook post, you're going to get a really generic, skippable result. But if you apply that GAF structure, you can define the format as a short English Facebook post, the audience as students, the goal as learning AI in 2026, and the tone as motivational. Boom. With that specific structure, you get an incredibly tailored, highly usable result on the very first try. But hey, what if the output still isn't quite right? Well, you don't have to start from scratch. Just treat it like a totally normal conversation and ask it to iterate. Tell it, make this a bit shorter, or add 2 real-world examples. If you're working on a massive project, just break it down into smaller, focused questions step by step to steer the output exactly where you need it to go. Section 3, Beyond Text, Multimodal Magic. Let's unlock the true power of 2026 AI by breaking the text barrier entirely. So through the mobile app, you have access to this incredible speech-to-speech feature. You just tap the voice icon and you can have real-time, fluid, verbal conversations with ChatGPT. And it speaks back to you in a completely natural voice. You can brainstorm ideas, practice a foreign language, or just casually ask about the weather while you're out for a walk or driving. It's completely hands-free. In the real-world utility of image inputs, it is absolutely staggering. You can snap a photo of a dense, confusing medical report and ask the AI to literally explain this to me like I'm 5. Or say you get a sketchy text message about a water bill. Upload a screenshot and the AI analyzes the phone numbers to flag it as a scam. One user even uploaded a photo of a huge pallet of landscaping boulders, asked for a weight estimate, and the AI accurately nailed it at 3,500 pounds just from the visual dimensions. You can even snap a photo of your broken HVAC unit's manual and ask it for step-by-step troubleshooting based on the model number. Now, before we go any further, we definitely need a quick but absolutely vital security reminder. AI models learn from inputs, right? So never ever upload highly sensitive data. We're talking passwords, banking info, or photos of your ID cards. Just don't do it. If you do need to research a sensitive personal topic, use the temporary chat feature. That ensures the conversation isn't saved to your history and isn't used to train the AI's memory. And of course, always verify factual outputs independently just to be safe. Section 4. Advanced 2026 Pro Tools. Now that we've got the basics down, let's look at the heavy-hitting workspace tools that truly define the 2026 professional experience. If you're writing a super long research article or debugging complex software, standard chat gets messy really quickly with all that endless scrolling. Well, that's exactly where Canvas mode comes in. It opens up this dedicated, side-by-side editable workspace. The AI generates your text or code on one side, and you can directly edit it, format it, and ultimately download it straight to a PDF or Word document, all without ever leaving the platform. And if you're tackling a massive undertaking, think a master's thesis or launching a new business. Project-based folders are an absolute lifesaver. When you create one of these project folders, you can upload specific research documents directly into it. This forces the AI to only look at those specific files for its answers, completely ignoring your general chat history. It completely prevents the AI from getting confused and ensures your outputs are laser-focused on the exact data you provided. Section 5. Your personal AI assistant. So, how do we take all these amazing features and actually make ChatGPT work for you? Honestly, the applications here are pretty much endless. You can ask it to generate a customized 30-day plan to learn a totally new language. Or if you're a student, don't just use it to cheat, use it to actually learn. You can upload your class notes and ask it to generate multiple choice quizzes to test your knowledge. You can even submit your drafted homework answers to the AI and have it act as a teacher to critique your mistakes. On the professional side, freelancers are using it to write highly targeted pitch proposals for sites like Upwork, and software engineers are literally pasting in their code at 2 a.m. to instantly locate and squash those frustrating bugs. So we've covered the tools, the formulas, and the advanced features. Look, in 2026, AI is no longer just some fun novelty. It's a foundational literacy. It really is. The question isn't whether AI will do your job, it's whether someone who mastered these tools will. Thanks for joining me on this explainer today. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, will you step out of your comfort zone to master AI, or will you let it completely pass you by? I highly encourage you to open the app right now and test that perfect prompt formula out for yourself.